What up, y'all? It's China, and I'm back with another video. Do y'all like this hair? I love it. So I got this wig from Amazon. This will be a synthetic wig dyeing tutorial. But I also purchased this off Amazon like I do all my fake wigs. I got it in this pack from Cool Girl Beauty. And what came in this was a care instruction sheet and 2 wig caps that's like blonde, but I'm not going to be using them. So what I use to dye my wig, well, what I'm going to use is these two. I don't know if I'm going to use both, but one's wine, one's dark brown. I was thinking I can go into dark brown and then wine. I'm not sure. I think I should do full wine. But yes, keep watching so you can enjoy this tutorial.
Okay, you guys, so fun fact, this is boiled water. I just transferred it into a bowl. Make sure you guys use stainless steel because it will stain, but I didn't really care that much, so I used the boiled water. I poured it in a bowl, and I poured like maybe 1/3 or half of the dye into the bowl. And first I dipped the water in there to see how I like it, but I should have knew from there it wasn't going to take because it really wasn't doing anything per se. But I put a little bit more dye in there, and then y'all should have told me to wear gloves because I did not know you had to wear gloves. My fingers was red. So really I'm just letting this water and dye and hair all sit together. I push it around for a while and then I let it sit for 30 minutes. And after that, after 30 minutes, I took it to the bathroom, which you guys will see later on in the video, and poured it out. Okay, so this is after letting the dye sit for 30 minutes. Please use a stainless steel because I literally stained this sink. But if you do use white, just use bleach and cold water and it come right out the sink. But anyway, I'm pouring it out into the sink and I'm using cold water to rinse it out. You guys, the dye didn't take at all. Like, you guys can see the dye rinsing out of the wig. I mean, the wig did turn out a little darker than the white blonde that it was, but literally all the dye was rinsing out, as you can see. Literally, guys, this is the color it took, like rose blonde. The aftermath was back to the same color.
Okay, y'all. So the wig did not take the dye at all. It did at first for a little minute. Then it literally went away. I put mousse on it. And that was like the only thing they got it to change color. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it didn't take it. And the only way that I'm wearing this wig is like this, or with a hat or something cute just to show the ends, but the top is ugly. Okay, this is the wig without my hair wrap. I mean, it's okay. I didn't jazz it up. I didn't put like the makeup on the closure part. I didn't put it baby hairs. I just don't like it. I mean, it's cute, but you can tell that some places on top of my head took the dye, but everything didn't. It's shredded too much, but it was worth a try. This is crazy. But thanks for watching. Tune in, subscribe. If you follow me on Instagram, I might post pictures with this, like with a scarf or something on that's really cute, but not just like this. So make sure you look out for those. Like, comment, share. Thank you.